Hi, it's the Awesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a product from a company called Frau Fowler, and this is their tooth powder, and it comes in these tins that are 2.3 ounces. This is one of their flavors. They have a few different varieties, and I want to thank Perry for all her efforts to getting me the product to talk to you about today. This is going to be the introduction video, and then I'm going to do a follow-up video after I use the product to tell you how my results were. So actually this packaging, and I should say, I will have a link below to their website so you can check out all they offer and all about the company. It says that this tooth powder lasts for 8 to 10 weeks. So that's what I was trying to plan to do, is use it for that long and then come back and show you the results, or tell you the results. So just to tell you a little bit more about the product, and then a little bit about the company too. So it's a tooth and gum powder. It's good for whitening the teeth. It's got organic essential oils of cinnamon, clove, tea tree, and cardamom. And it's fluoride-free. They use science-based ingredients. And BPA-free, non-GMO, not tested on animals. It's gluten-free, no foaming agents, no SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, no glycerin, no preservatives. So the ingredients are actually salt, sea salt and Himalayan pink salt, non-GMO xylitol, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, extra virgin organic coconut oil, organic stevia, organic cinnamon leaf oil, organic clove butter, organic cardamom oil, and organic tea tree oil. So lots of good stuff in here. So it came in this nice packaging, which I wanted to show you. I really like it. So her other tagline is Tough Love Organics, and this is her logo. So what she says about here is that Frau is actually means woman in German. And that came from, I guess, her mother, her grandmother had that name. And she decided to use it. She talks about how her family were, I guess it was her, I don't know if it was her grandfather was married. He was a physician in South Carolina and lived to be over 100 years of age. This was, I guess, a long time ago. And his father was also, they were all physicians, and so that's why the love of the medicine has continued with her, but she's doing it with natural products. And let me see what else it says on here. So the products, they talk about everything they use. You know, they try to do everything in a natural way. I just thought I'd like to show you the packaging because I really liked it. So now to tell you more about the ingredients that are used in this product. So they're very unique. And she has a great story. You can check out on her website about how this all came about, what happened to her health-wise. She had some serious health challenges. And so I wanted to share with you more about what she says. So, and then I'll talk to you when I do the follow-up video about how to use the product. So I didn't also tell you there's no foaming agents. I think I did tell you that. So why some of these ingredients are being used and what's their benefits, I will share that with you. So they use clean ingredients because she talks about how the mucosal lining, all the exposed tissue in the teeth, is 90% effective in absorption. That is why sublingual vitamins work, because they absorb through there. But what happens is, she says, with oral care, they contain a lot of poison control warnings, and they're carcinogenic. And then we put them in our mouth, and unfortunately that doesn't help us. It makes us sick, right? So everything you put on your skin or in your mouth can be detrimental to your overall health. So that's why you don't want to use things that will cause those problems. So that's very important, why to use that. And then let's see what else. So like she said, it's science-based research behind them. And it doesn't have to be artificial to be effective. I like that. And the website contains more in-depth studies on how they have formulated their products. And let's see what else. Environmentally friendly, as I said. It says we use non-GMO xylitol that comes from renewable corn cobs. So that's really good. No pesticides, no insecticides as well. And let's see. So I wanted to find some information about the ingredients that I had here. I'm just not finding it right yet. So let me see if I have it here. Might have it in the other package. There was some more information specifically about the ingredients I wanted to share, and I think it's here. Let's see. Now that's about how to use it, which I'll share in the next video. I'm just trying to find the. Here we go. I think this was the one I was looking for. So, Antibacterial, antiseptic, remineralizing enamel, removing stains and whitening. That's about the salt. So the salt is highly antibacterial, and some varieties are high in naturally occurring trace minerals. Teeth are porous bone structures and need minerals, so that's why she uses that. Also, pH neutralizer, inhibits bacterial growth. Then the tea tree oil is also antibacterial, antiseptic, astringent, and anti-gingivitis. So good for the gums. It could be potential antibacterial, anti-plaque, restore moisture. So it says that studies show it can prevent biofilm formation and its potential effectiveness against plaque, helps with cracked lips and dry throat. So this, I imagine, is all the different ingredients together. She doesn't specifically say, but here's actually a nice little picture of showing all the different ingredients that are used in the product. The basic one that I have. There's some others that use a few different things. And then what else? It says remineralization of enamel, whitening, decreasing sensitivity of enamel. Research indicated using calcium carbonate, which is in here, can be powerful to remineralize teeth. It's also shown to decrease enamel sensitivity, which if you have, that would be nice to decrease that. Also analgesic, antispasmodic. Let's see what else. Teeth whitening, high alkalinity with sodium bicarbonate. Also, let's see what else. So a lot of the things I repeated a few times because it's, I guess, based on the different ingredients that are in here. I believe there's maybe 10 or something ingredients, so she was listing them all on here. If I missed some, it also says anti-infectious, tonic, rich and powerful phytonutrients, especially high in manganese. A trace mineral that helps your body form connective tissue and bone. Also used for, historically used for halitosis. Now on the card, it didn't say exactly which ingredients all of them is talking about, so let me just see, if you mind bearing with me for just another moment. I'm going to check in this other package to see if I can find out which specific ingredients she's talking about. Very good packaging. It sticks really well. So I wanted to see if I had any other info sheets that talk about that. No, this one doesn't. But I think basically that covers a lot of the ingredients, what they do and how they help you. Let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, and on here it also says that the salt is good for the gums and teeth. The essential oils are soothing to sensitive teeth. The sodium bicarbonate gently cleanses and whitens, and the organic coconut oil, as long with traditional Indian folk dental preparation. And I did do a video on actually oil pulling using coconut oil. So some of the other varieties, like the one I have specifically, is called Mouth Medic. There's also one called Power Mint, another one called Highlander Licorice, and also Citrus Samurai Mint. So those are different. Mine is, the one I have is considered earthy, sweet, slightly spicy, and astringent. So that's the information. So I think, yeah, everything she does is really, she's really passionate about bringing the best, most natural quality and healthy and effective also for your teeth. And she is coming out with some new products as well that you have to check on her website. So excuse me for a moment. I'm going to see what else is here, if there's anything else I wanted to share. So what I'm going to do in the next video when I follow up is explain how you use the product. And also, if you have some issues with certain things that, what to do, like she has on here, some things, some questions that you might have about sensitivity. So I think I'll address that in the next video, but just to see if there's anything else here. So the one I have, right, the Mouth Medic. So let me see. I just want to make sure I'm sharing with you everything I need to in this video before I finish. It says we're passionate about oral care and helping educate the dangers of oral pathology and the ramifications on overall health and wellness. Because what it is when you brush your teeth with stuff with chemicals, it enters into your bloodstream because, like she said, it's open because of the mucosal lining. And let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, this is interesting too. The oral cavity contains over 700 plus species of bacteria at any given time. When your gums bleed, this bacteria has instant access to your bloodstream. This accelerates aging and increases a person's pathology load, which can result in many adverse health conditions. So if that's happening to you, you know you need to work on your oral care better. So yeah, I think that gives you some good basic information about the product, why you should use it, the benefits, and just to introduce you to it. And then, like I said, the follow-up, which will be about a couple months or so, once I'm done using it, I'll talk to you more about how I felt using it, you know, how it worked for me, and how you should actually go about using it yourself. So I hope you'll definitely check them out, check out what they offer online, And I will come back to you on a follow-up in a couple months from now. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.